everyone. Welcome back to 450 DSA Cracker series. In last video we have completed best time to buy and sell the stocks. Today is 24th. Today is our 18th day of the 450 DSA Cracker series, and today we will head on to our next problem, that is find all the pairs in the integer of an array whose sum is equal to a given number. Let's head on to the problem. According to the question, it is given that given an array, return all unique pairs ARR I ARR j such that I is not equal to j, means that position of an elements in the array, for example in this array, should not be same. For example, this array position of the array should not be same. Conditions this, and if we take I equal to 0 and j equal to 2, then 0 is not equal to 2. This condition satisfied. First condition satisfied, and sum of the position of the I ARR j, it is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Hence our second condition is also satisfied, means minus 1 comma 1 forms a pair which satisfy both the conditions, and it is mentioned that the pairs must be returned in sorted order, and the solution array should be also be sorted, and answer must not contain any duplicate pairs. So the problem statement, what is it is asking, we are able to understand it, and we have to code it to get the proper solution and to get proper output. This is one of the important questions because it is asked in several important companies for your placement, like Flipkart, Ecolite, Amazon, Factsheet, FactSet, Hike, Make My Trip, Goldman Sachs, and Adobe, and Salesforce. So this is one of the most real world problems to solve of an array. Let's head on to the approach what we will use. I will use here two pointer to solve this question. Two pointer approach in the following way. First, as it is given, the class is defined and function is also defined, then we have to sort the array this way we have completed our coding. Let's check it satisfies all test cases or not. It satisfies the case 1. Let's check it satisfies all test cases or not. Yes, it satisfies all test cases. I have made a mistake. I have applied several times. I finally got corrected in last attempt, so my accuracy is 33%. But using this code, you can solve it as soon as possible. So what I have applied approach over here is, first I have defined the class solution with a method get pairs that takes on integers of array. Then I have sorted the array by using ar.sort, sorts the array in increasing order. Sorting is important because the two pointer technique only works on the sorted data. Okay, then we have defined L and R. L means left, starts from left, and R starts from right. This list will restore the final result, unique pairs that sum to 0. And then we have made another set. This set is used to track added pairs and avoided duplicates. Then we have created a while loop where we compared loop as long as two pointers haven't crossed L is less than R. We will keep moving them based on the sum. Then we have created sum is equal to ARR L plus ARR R, that is sum. Calculate the sum of the numbers. Then we have iterated if, because if the sum is less than 0, if the sum is less than 0, move the left pointer to the right to increase the sum by incrementing it by 1. Else if the sum is greater than 0, then we have to move from right by decrementing it by 1. And else if the if the sum is exactly 0, you have found the valid pair. Create a tuple of value to represent the pair. If the pair hasn't been added yet, check using seen set and add it to res and mark it as seen. After that, we have to move both the pairs inward to continue searching of other pairs. Finally, we have returned the list of unique pairs, that is to sum 0, and hence in this way we have solved this problem. Thank you and visit for more.